Alright guys, so today I will going to teach you how to start using HyperPad on creating your game. First, you need to click the new project. Then the project title, what will be your game's name? What type of name that you are going to use to get the attention of the gamers. So for me, this is just an example, so I'll just going to write my game, then press next and click next and create. So let's just create our own game. Okay, so this is the interface of your game. Basically it's nothing. So to start with, please download some assets that you will going to use in your game. So we're going to press the basket on the bottom right side, then tap the get asset cart. This will going to give you some packages that you can use to your game. We have some digital sound effects, puzzle pack, board game pack, UI sound pack, and etc. But since this is our first game, so we're just going to use the platform starter pack. Just tap it once and wait until it loads, then click get. Once it finished loading, click OK, then close this window. Now we already downloaded our first starter pack. Now all you gotta do is to click the folder. Then this is what you have here. This is the background for the background of your game. The grass world is the surface of your game, and the world objects you want to design in your game. Now this is the default character you have on your starter pack, but if you want to have another character, main character, you can select the other starter package on the get asset. Like what I've said, this is just a starter pack. This is just for our basic game. I will just teach you the basic things on how to create your own game. Alright, let's start. Click these icons to put it on your timeline. Click this one and then click the animated one, the walk one. Next, click back, click the slime pink, click the move one. Back, click the coin. Next, click the grass world. This will be your surface. Alright, now we have our basic icons or basic characters and things that we are going to use in our game. Now let's put a background. How to put a background? Click on the image icon and then click background. Tap the middle icon and then go to background folder. Then click any background you want. Example, I'll use this one. Now this is your startup screen, but your background is just in the middle, so we're going to stretch the background. Click this one so it covers the whole screen. Now close. This time we already have a background. Now we will start designing our game. Now like what I've said, I will just going to teach you the basic first. Okay. Alright, so we will going to let our character move, the enemy move, and how to get the coin. All you need to do is to tap your character. Make sure you tap this icon, the rocket icon, so that it will become a physics object. Then tap the behavior button. This is where you code your game. So this is from the object of your main character. So all you need to do is to click those codes that you can find here, and then it will going to be coded on your main character. So we will going to let our main character move. So all we need to do is to click this one or tap and drag it here inside the coding area. Next, the jump button. Okay, so now we already have two codes. What are the codes? The codes is joystick control, which is how to move your character, and jump with button. Now we're going to see how the game works. So this is our character, and we can move and jump. Just press the jump button and move up, forward, back, and then that's it. Now we cannot get the coin yet because we have not put a code on the coin. We do not have any codes on the slime pink 2. Now let's just press the menu button and quit to go back to our coding. Press the back button, then press the slime pink object, press behavior, and then this is the coding area of this object. Now we want the object to move. Click this one and then select patrol. This patrol is the code to move your object. The object will move front and back for the X, for the Y, up and down. Now it is default on X, so it will going to move left and right or forward and backward. Now if your character will collide with your enemy, your game will be restarted. How do we do that? Under the object code, select collided, this one, collided. Just tap the collide icon, tap here. So this one will collide your character. Press OK. Now what happens if this one will collide to your main character? It will going to restart the game. Click this icon, the scene, and we will going to look for the code. How do we code when it will going to collide your character? We have restart scene. Basically we have game over code, but our developer removed that code instead and put a restart scene code instead. All we need to do is to connect this one, and then it will going to restart when this one collide with this object. Now for the last one, let's get the coin. How to get the coin? If you can see, this is the coin and we have a box here. This box is the collision. If your character will going to move here, if your character moves here, it already collides. If you can see your character and the coin, so if your character bounced here, this is already collided with your character. So make sure you click this one and then you make it a little smaller that only gets the shape of the coin. Press check or OK. Click yes. So your character will collide here, and then it will going to do the code. Now let's going to put this back on here, and then click the coin, click behavior, collide, click this object, and then collide. Put the collide here, tap this code, click this one, click your character, click OK. Collide, coin collide with your character, and the character will get the coin. Put a destroy object. Destroy object. Destroy object meaning the object will disappear. Coin collide with your character, coin will disappear. Let's start. So as soon as we start, your character immediately dies because this collides your character. So let's move the object, this one, move it a little bit here, or maybe here. Now if you can see, your joystick and your jump button is hiding your character. Your thumb used here, you cannot see your character moving. Now let's fix the screen. Click your character, click behavior, click the screen, this one. First, screen to point. How does the game start? Click this one, just move here. This and this will be here if you play. This one will be in the middle. Okay. Next, we want our screen to go with the character. First, this one here, now here. Jump, walk. Okay. As soon as it hit, boom, restart. Restart. Alright, finished. Already get the coin, you didn't die. Now, let's go back. The screen is still. Press, jump, screen is still. This one, still, middle. This one, no. Screen is not moving. Click on the screen. Screen follow. Screen will follow your character. Press. Click jump. The screen will jump. Screen will follow your character. Okay.